Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu states, in Allah's apostle times, on a scorching hot day, the sun got eclipsed. So Allah's apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam led the people in the prayer, in which he sallallahu alaihi wasallam observed such a long standing as the people started collapsing. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then performed an extremely long bowing. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed an extremely long standing after bowing. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then performed an extremely long bowing, and after raising his head from the bowing, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam stood for a long time. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then performed two prostrations and then stood upright and performed another unit in the same way, making a total of 4 bowings and 4 prostrations. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, all those things were presented to me, you would enter, paradise was presented to me, and even I could have taken a bunch if I had wished so, but I withdrew my hand. Hell was presented before me, and I saw a woman of Banu Israel who was being tormented on account of a cat. She kept the cat fastened. She neither gave it something to eat, nor set her loose so that it could eat some of the insects. I saw Abu Thamama Amr bin Malik dragging his intestines in hell. People say that the sun or the moon gets eclipsed due to the death of some great man, whereas the sun and the moon eclipses are two signs of Allah's signs, which Allah Jalla Jalaluhu shows to you. When the sun or the moon gets eclipsed, perform prayer until they turn bright. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 2097.